Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to fix a computer screen that turns black and white. Here are all of the best solution for fixing a black and white grayscale screen. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. For this first fixing issue I will explain. For this, double check the file. If an image or move file only display the black and white, see if the black and white media. Some new movies and shows have black and white versions for stylistic reason for special releases. Second fix is check the media app settings. For example, some apps have color settings that can make a media appear as if they are grayscale or black and white. Third fixing is try a different app. Try opening the image or movie in another app. The file may be incompatible with the program you are using. Fourth fixing is restart your computer. In the file contains a color, try a basic system restart. Another one fixing is disable max grayscale settings. For this, select a system preferences, choose accessibility and choose display and uncheck the use grayscale. Change your max color profile, select Apple, system preferences, choose displays, choose color profile and choose a different color setting. Another one is display Windows color filters, open settings and select accessibility, choose color filters and make sure color filters are off. The path is settings Windows 10 is easy off, choose access and colors filters. Another fixing is disable Windows color filter keyboard shortcuts. For this, open settings and select accessibility, choose color filters, turn the switch to the right of the keyboard shortcut for the colors filters off. You can keep accidentally making your screen black and white. Another one is disable your max color filters, select Apple, choose system preferences, choose accessibility, choose display, choose color filters and make sure color filters are displayed. Another one is detect your Mac screen. For this, select Apple, choose system preferences, displays and press the option key and select detect displays. Another fixing issue is collaborate your Mac's displays. This process forces your Mac re-examine how screen is being used to display colors. Another one is run a Windows troubleshooter. Open settings and select system, choose troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters and run the video playback and program compatibility troubleshooters. Another one is check for a system update manually. Manually check for a new Windows or Mac OS operating system update. Updates can often add support for a new hardware and files types and perform a basic system scan for errors. Another one is uninstall recently installed app. If this issue began after you install an app, uninstall the app on Windows or uninstall the app on your Mac and then restart your computer. Update the Windows drivers. For this, open Device Manager and select Display Adapters and choose Update Driver for each item. Also do the same for every device under the monitors as well. Another fixing issue is reset your Windows device. If you still can't change your Windows screen back to color, you may need to reset into factory settings. This process can delete your file settings and apps. It's a good idea to back everything by using the cloud services such as OneDrive or Dropbox. And last one fixing issue is reset your Mac. Like Windows computers, factory reset can also often fix various seemingly unsolvable problems on Macs. Make sure back up everything to cloud or external drive before proceeding with this process. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video and like this video. Whichever fixing issue is helpful you feel like that, you can comment below. I'll explain that deeply.